Here it is.
Stayed in the same place.
Today we were out here trying to relocate the lichen because of us expanding the field.
This is an endemic species to the state of Florida. It exists only here in a few dozen locations, so we want to make sure that we're doing our very best to protect our natural resources. We are having students taught by environmental consultants, by U.S. Fish and Wildlife, and best practices on how to carefully identify this protected lichen, carefully transplant it from one location to another.
It's just going to be better for our sports programs. It's going to be cool for like the fields and kids like that are younger than us that want to like come up and play that sport.
I guess it does look like broccoli. We wanted to move it so it could be safe while we were expanding.
Good idea. This all looks right to me.
Lichen is a composite relationship between algae and fungus. They need each other to survive.
The lichen's really rare. There's only 17 places that the lichen is in Florida, and Pine School is one of them.
You think of normal plants and how they're like everywhere, and a small plant like that is only in 17 places. That's kind of crazy.
Like it has the holes in the roots. It looks like cool.
One of the lichen.
So at the Pine School, environmental stewardship is very much a part of who we are, always has been.
We constantly get to go outside to learn.
It's really part of like our culture, and it's really fun.
Our student athletes are excited about our bold vision of building new athletic facilities. And so the Pine School is taking care of student athletes, and our student athletes are out here taking care of Mother Nature.